Okay, let's start the snazzy music. I wanted to change the layout of this case. €72 for new foam. I kid you not. I managed to change it to this. Pick and plucked does not necessarily mean pick and fuck. This is PVC glue, normally used by plumbers for joining PVC waste water pipes. It can be dangerous, so read the instructions carefully. I pretty much ignored the 1 hour drying time because for this purpose it dries much quicker. You can apply the glue with a table knife, but you have to work very quickly. This stuff dries very quickly, so you should pass your knife to an assistant who will readily clean it for you for the next section. Align the pieces and push together firmly. I would suggest keeping the glue away from the edges. For long sections, glue a small piece at each time and work your way along the length. So, is it strong? Well, it's much stronger than the original pick and pluck foam, which is really all you can ask for. This glue is actually a solvent for this foam, so it will leave slightly crispy joints because it actually melts the material. Don't let this drip anywhere you don't want damage to occur.